Hello there you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sula. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So now that Babes Wodumo has finally unlocked Mampintsha's phone and saw all his DMs and WhatsApp conversations, Babes Wodumo has threatened to expose all the girls that were in her husband's DMs and WhatsApp. You guys, she wrote a WhatsApp status on his phone, of course, that she will expose all the news she found on Mampintsha's phone, including the pictures of the side chicks' faces. She wrote this message on WhatsApp, which has now been leaked and has gone viral. You guys, this is what she said. So ngizofaka i-nude ne-convo ihamba nesithombe mese kulandela umlando ukutho loyo umuntu uzwana njani nami, abanye ke ama-bank notification nawo akhona. And you guys, I must say that knowing Babes Wodumo from social media, once she get drunk, she will even go live to address Mampintsha's side checks, you guys. So one tweet wrote this about Babes Wodumo and said that Babes Wodumo is now using Mampintsha's social media. Very soon, Babes Wodumo will change Mampintsha's username. Babes Wodumo's behavior is a lesson to every man. Never marry a drunkard. Now there you have it, guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.